Hi, Kevin Henry of Dental Economics, here today with my friend Garrett Ludwig, the owner of Diversified Design Technologies in Connecticut. And this is one of our series on dental office design, a series of videos that's going to help you when you're ready to design your office or redesign your office. And Garrett, I know today we're going to talk a little bit about contract negotiations. So what do dentists need to know, in your opinion, about the negotiation of the contract?
They really need help with it. They need to have a professional to help interpret what's going on with the contract, what's being proposed, and the contract itself. As I've mentioned in the past, the contract itself contains a lot of small print and legalese saying that the contractor is going to provide a service doing so many things, and you're going to pay for the content of all of that. The reality is that one-page, two-page document really isn't the contract. The contract is in the many sheets of drawings that encompass the construction project itself. And what we need to do when we're looking over a contract with a client is not so much the high bid or the low bid, but the content that's been encompassed in that four-page or four corners of that document, and that it references with some integrity all of the documentation that's in the construction documents, because that is what's going to be your assurance that whatever has been specified, you're not going to get a substitution of a very expensive lighting fixture for something from a big box store, and everything that's going to be detailed as far as plumbing types, electrical, wiring, sug gauges, and so on and so forth. Those things are going to be done as are indicated on the plans. And if that detail appears there accurately and the contractor addresses them, then you'll be assured of a good project. The other thing that you want to be cautious of is the start and finish date, because a project could be prolonged, and what could have been a 30-day, 60-day, or 90-day project may become 120 or more. And those costs are going to be creating havoc for you with move. So if you schedule a mover, if you schedule all of the technical equipment representation to remove your equipment, install it, all of these things have to be factored into the essence of timing. And we don't want to incur, again, referencing the lease, if in fact you are given a grace period for construction and that is exceeded because of negligence on the part of the contractor, then we can expect that you're going to incur those costs yourself if it's not been defined up front. So we often will put in a per diem penalty for a contractor if they are going to be late in delivery of their finished product. And in kind, we often will offer them a bonus if in fact they do it within a lesser amount of time. So these are very important things, and each one comes down to the bottom line, cost. And the high bid may not be the high bid may be the low bid when it comes down to the inclusion of all these factors.
It's good information. Thanks, Garrett. How could they get a hold of you for more information or to contact you with design questions?
Website is dentaldesign.pro, phone 800-622-5563. Email Garrett@designrx.biz. That's GARRETT @DESIGNRX, all one word, .biz.
Sounds good, Garrett. Thanks for your time. I appreciate it.
My pleasure. Thank you, Kevin.